Did you know there are landscapes on Earth that look like they're straight out of a dream or another planet? From lakes that petrify animals to mountains painted with the colors of the rainbow. In this video, we'll take you through the 7 most surreal places in the world locations. So incredible, they'll make you question whether this is still Earth. 1. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Located in southwestern Bolivia, the Salar de Uyuni is the largest salt flat on the planet, with over 10,000 square kilometers of pure white surface. But the most breathtaking sight happens during the rainy season, from January to March. A thin layer of water turns the salt flat into a giant mirror, perfectly reflecting the sky. The effect is so surreal, it feels like you're floating among the clouds. NASA astronauts have even trained here, due to its resemblance to extraterrestrial surfaces. Without a doubt, this is a place where Earth disguises itself as an alternate universe. 2. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This lake, located in northern Tanzania near the border with Kenya, is one of the most extreme and mysterious ecosystems on the planet. Its waters reach temperatures of up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and have a pH over 10, similar to that of ammonia. This is due to its high concentration of salt and alkaline minerals, like sodium carbonate. The lake's reddish color comes from halophilic bacteria that thrive in these extreme conditions, dyeing the water and shores in deep red hues. And the most unsettling part, animals that die in its waters often become calcified by the minerals, as if turned into statues. As macabre as it sounds, the lake is vital for thousands of flamingos that breed there. A place as beautiful as it is deadly. 3. Rainbow Mountain, Peru, Vinicunca. Over 5,000 meters above sea level, hidden in the Peruvian Andes, lies Vinicunca, the famous Rainbow Mountain. Its appearance is so unreal that many mistake it for a digital painting. The colorful stripes were formed by the oxidation of minerals. Red comes from iron oxide, green from chlorite, yellow from sulfur, and so on. Although it was only discovered by tourism in recent years, it has become one of the most stunning destinations in South America. Reaching the summit isn't easy, it requires acclimatizing to the altitude, but the views are a reward that feels out of this world. 4. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, a flame burns that never goes out. This is the Darvaza crater, also known as the Door to Hell. In 1971, Soviet geologists accidentally drilled into a pocket of natural gas. To prevent the release of toxic gases, they decided to set it on fire, assuming it would burn out in a few days. Over 50 years have passed, and the fire still burns. The crater is 69 meters wide and 30 meters deep, lighting up the night with a hellish glow. Seeing it in person feels like staring into the open center of the earth. 5. Cave of Giant Crystals, Mexico. Beneath the surface of the Chihuahua Desert, inside the Nika mine, lies a one-of-a-kind cave. Discovered in the year 2000, it holds the largest selenite crystals ever. Found some over 11 meters long and weighing more than 50 tons. The environment is so extreme temperatures, over 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and 100% humidity, that entry is only possible with special suits and for just a few minutes. The conditions are so harsh that scientists believe the cave could harbor life forms similar to those that might exist on other planets. That's why some call it Earth's time capsule. 6. Ice caves, Iceland. Beneath Iceland's ancient glaciers, true ice cathedrals form every winter. These glacial caves, carved by underground rivers, create tunnels and domes in deep blue hues with mesmerizing textures. Each cave is temporary. It forms, shifts, and disappears with the changing seasons. That's why exploring them is a one-of-a-kind, magical experience. Walking inside one of these natural structures feels like being trapped inside a living gemstone. Just make sure to go with a guide. Their beauty is matched only by their fragility. 7. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. In the Horn of Africa, in northeastern Ethiopia, lies the most hellish region on the planet, the Danakil Depression. Here, daytime temperatures can exceed 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ground seems to boil. This place was formed by the interaction of 3 tectonic plates, creating active volcanoes, acidic geysers, sulfur lakes, and fluorescent-colored mineral fields. Although it seems uninhabitable, the Afar tribe has lived here for generations, extracting salt from the desert. With its alien appearance and hostile environment, Danakil is the closest thing to Mars we have on Earth. And yes, NASA scientists have also been here. Nature doesn't need special effects to leave us speechless. Which of these places did you find the most unbelievable? Would you visit any of them? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to discover more hidden wonders of the planet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you on the next adventure.